Hi and welcome to another episode of my KTM Duke 250, and in this episode I'm going to review tires as my current tire, the Pirelli Endurance CT, is totally worn out, where I reviewed this tire more than 4 years ago. You can watch it by clicking into the link at the end of this video. Don't get me wrong, because I really enjoy riding on this tire throughout these 4 years, although not as grippy compared to my first two tires, but it is still a good tire and well balanced between dry and wet condition. I managed to squeeze out 34,000 kilometers on this Endurance CT, far exceeded my prediction of 28,000 kilometers, which I said in my previous tire review video, where I mentioned that my first tire, the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 2, and my second tire, the Metzeler Sportec M5 Interact, traveled to a combined 40,000 kilometers of mileage. I predicted this Endurance CT could last me about 28,000 kilometers and added up all to 68,000 kilometers. Now my odometer here has clocked 9,000 kilometers plus 65,000 kilometers before my accident 2 years ago. So my actual mileage now is 74,000 kilometers versus my prediction 68,000 kilometers. My next tire that I will be changing is this, the Pirelli Diablo Rosso Sport, commented by one of my viewers, Murphy Tan. He asked me to try out this tire because he said it is really good, and I'm happy to do so. So now I'm fulfilling his request. But unfortunately, it is very hard to find one in the market now. I've been searching for this tire everywhere on my local shop and Shopee, and all of them are out of stock. Until one of the shop owner told me that Pirelli has stopped making the Diablo Rosso Sport for big size tire, 110 and up. Even though I'm able to find one, it could be some old stock. So I'm still hanging on, searching everywhere, until the last moment where I managed to find one at my local shop here. So I'm grabbed one of these immediately, and that boss, this did prove himself true. If I look at the manufacturing date here, it says work week 22 2021, which means these tires was manufactured almost 2 years ago. Yes, it is an old tire, but I'm still eager to try this out before it runs out of production forever. Only the rear tire is available, as the front is still out of stock everywhere, and I will not bother to change the front tire as it still have around 60% of rubber. 4 years later, it is time to change it. I've been riding on this new Diablo Rosso Sport for half year, and I'm very impressed with this tire. It sticks on the road very well and handles like a race bike, so riding fast is not a problem at all. I have a lot more confidence during cornering with this Diablo Rosso Sport every time, as it will tell me to get more lean angle, unlike my previous tire, the Pirelli Endurance CT, where I feel it will have the tendency to skid if I was high on the side. Why am I comparing this Diablo Rosso Sport with the Endurance CT is because they are both priced at the same range. I bought this Diablo Rosso Sport at 310 ringgit Malaysia, while the Endurance CT cost 330 ringgit Malaysia back in 2019. But this Diablo Rosso Sport packs a lot more performance than the Endurance CT. What I can say is that the Diablo Rosso Sport is a performance-oriented tire intended for someone who enjoys riding fast, while the Endurance CT is a touring tire for relaxing ride. Ride santai, as we Malaysians call it. This Diablo Rosso Sport is made from medium soft compound, and I would expect this tire to last about 20,000 kilometers compared to the Enduro CT, 34,000 kilometers mileage, well, because it is a very hard compound tire. Meanwhile, riding on the wet condition, the Diablo Rosso Sport handles well with its efficient water dispersion tread, but the Enduro CT still wins hands down because it has a more larger and deeper tire tread. Overall, this Pirelli Diablo Rosso Sport is a budget performance tire for small cc bikes. It is cheap and handles well, but unfortunately, this tire is no longer on sale for big size tire, 140 and up. It is such a shame because Pirelli has killed the Diablo Rosso Sport for big size tire, maybe because it is directly competing with the Enduro CT at the same price bracket and promoting their own Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3, which has the same performance as the Diablo Rosso Sport but with a slightly higher price. At last, it is very fortunate for me to have a chance to try out this Diablo Rosso Sport, and I am overwhelmed with it. It is absolutely a great sensation riding on this wonderful tire. We have reached the end of this episode. Do me a favor by clicking on the like button, and if you have anything to say, then please feel free to leave it down on the comment section below. Till then, thanks for watching and ride safely.